Hello everyone, are you ready today? We're about to watch some incredibly intense moments all captured on camera. Trust me, you won't be able to take your eyes off the screen. This video will keep you watching until the very last second. When the wind hits 100 kilometers per hour, almost nothing around you stays still anymore. This is the kind of day when even insurance companies would rather turn off their phone. Not only did he stay safe, but he also walked away with an unforgettable piece of footage, no special effects needed. The scariest moment wasn't the sound of the rocks falling. It was the moment everyone realized they were heading straight toward them. Unusual animal behavior can sometimes be an environmental warning humans shouldn't ignore. That massive stadium was handled under strict procedures with every detail fully controlled by a professional team. Is this video making your evening a little more exciting? The way they're staring at each other looks exactly like neighbors fighting over a parking spot. Oh my God, I think they just watched a few $1 million get blown away in that storm. I honestly want to know, what's the weather like? Where you are today, calm and peaceful, or is nature bringing a little drama too? That's the moment you realize, okay, the coffee can wait. That's the moment you realize safety gear isn't just there to make you look professional. Absolutely insane cricket ball-sized hail destroyed a house in Queensland. Have you ever seen hail so heavy that it turned everything completely white like this? When gas remains trapped underground for long periods, pressure can build up significantly, and once it exceeds safe limits, it can force manhole covers to erupt suddenly. This is the kind of situation that usually happens when people don't check their clothes before washing them. What simple lesson would you take away from this moment? No casting, no auditions. And somehow the tree still stole the entire spotlight.
Oh, well.
What keeps a massive inflatable structure standing still is sometimes just a few anchor points. If you enjoy moments like these, leaving a like is always a great way to support the channel. That wasn't just water anymore. It was a force powerful enough to carry away everything in its path. If you ask me, this snake has to be at least 33 feet long. Do you think I'm right? Let me know in the comments. A tiny snake trying to make friends with a tiny little kid. If this clip made you stop scrolling, I'd really love to know what caught your attention. He crossed that bridge with a level of calmness I know I don't have. A dust tornado in Santa Rosa turned a quiet space into a spinning vortex of motion. Have you ever seen anything like it? This wasn't a normal tornado. It was an icy rotating gust, almost like the mountain itself was breathing out cold air. After days of relentless flooding, the cliff finally gave way like an ending that had already been written.
मंदिर को तो टच भी नहीं हुआ मंदिर के पास जा रहा है हाँ
Highway 415 is still there. It's just that one part of it decided to leave the system without any warning. A 6.2 magnitude earthquake that made the entire neighborhood suddenly check in outside. One shake was enough for all the bottles in Northside Cayman to collectively check out from the shelves. That tire rolled through with the precision of a professional discus athlete. Even professional table tennis players would probably feel the pressure watching this. This is basically the special toll fee for driving through roads like these.
He's got a pee.
This parrot is filming a vlog like, "Come with me to work, everybody."
Attention. Mon sac!
It wasn't lost. It just changed owners very quickly.
Mon sac! Wow. Blow it out.
I could almost hear the ting-ting sound, like a phone notification announcing a very painful expense. Strong winds over Lake Michigan awakened massive waves, and the whole scene looked like the ocean itself was angry. You can actually see that the water doesn't attack all at once. It slowly erodes everything until the structure finally gives up. If you've never heard of an iced tsunami before, you're definitely not the only one.
Подивіться. Ага, порвало. Ну це страшно, дивіться, що тут сіра.
When the wind starts hitting sideways like this, even giant trees sometimes become just a matter of time. The moment the driver realized the GPS definitely did not warn him about this part. With 3 jet engines, this truck blasted up to 536 kilometers per hour in an absolutely insane run. Would you dare ride in it? The tire gave no warning, but everyone still got the message. No one inside that car planned for an entire wall of snow to make a surprise cameo. That tree picked the perfect moment to become somebody else's problem. Ash clouds aren't just smoke, they're a massive mix of material being launched upward with incredible force. When things become unpredictable, the most important thing is still keeping yourself safe.
सारे देख रहे
Could this be the real reason you can't lose weight? In the middle of deep darkness, every lightning strike feels like a moment that can never happen the same way twice. If this kind of video really matches your vibe, we'd truly appreciate your subscription. Not through a screen, they witnessed an unexpected snow slide coming down the Rocky Mountains in Canada with their own eyes. Which side are you on? Who do you think looks more alike? Does this video feel like a comfortable companion for a quiet evening at home? The moment the medical team realized they had gained one very loyal passenger. Not just a pet, this is clearly the official shopping assistant. Sometimes all it takes is a little randomness to create a truly unforgettable memory. Would you stand there and watch, or jump in like this kid did? Thanks for being here with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the latest videos, because there's still plenty of amazing moments waiting ahead.